What's the word, y'all? Insane Low. We back again playing some more Mario and Final Fantasy Freddy's. So let's get into it. We left off. No, not chapter select. We died. Don't restart, please. I don't want to do that. Continue. I said continue. Oh, let's go. All right. Clean up this filth. What? Why's it come so low? She keep going back and forth. It's annoying. Oh my god, fuck off. She gotta go. She gotta go. This is crazy. Oh my god, she don't go away from up top. That's annoying. Get from up top of that! Get from over there, goddammit! Get the hell over somewhere! Oh my god. She don't go away. She's fuck with me. Gotta be kidding me. Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Go fuck on somewhere! Get cocksucker! Get the fuck... Shit. Got it! Okay. As I quickly leave this area before I spot it. She's just looking at me. Wait, this glass? How did I miss this spot? Ah! Nigga! I gotta run back down here again. Just leave the goddamn place. You can literally just leave the spot. You could just run out the door.
Oh, Mamma mia!
Mamma mia! These things are aggressive. Ah! Ah! Run away! You want me? You want me? Why you after me? I didn't do anything! Run away, please, dear Lord. I have my eye closed, they can't see me. I beg you. Hmm? Where you going? You can't stay here forever.
Oh, you.
Woo, they're gone. I just, what is this? I can't just wrap my head around this. I thought these machines were meant to be friendly to this. Maybe someone just messed up with the programming. They're not supposed to be programmed to hurt anybody. It's just not right. I'm going to report this today when I get home. Excuse me. I should maybe call Luigi. Need to know what's going on here. Oh, how about we just run out here? Oh, well, ain't that just swell? Phones are dead. Damn it. Thank goodness I brought my charger. They put this map away first. Fuck the map. Let's leave. Talking about the goddamn map. Hold on, let's check the cameras. Talking about a fucking map. Fuck the map. Okay, there's nothing up there. Let's get up out of here. Luigi is not gonna believe. Fuck the map, Mario. Oh my god. Why you always play the dumbest characters in horror movie games. I mean, horror games.
Huh?
What's this? This is tape. What? I can use this opportunity to charge my phone while the tape plays. No, let's leave. Fuck. Mario. The tape is not important. It's none of your business. Leave and never come back. Oh my god. I'm playing a Nimrod. No, there gotta be an outlet somewhere. Okay, good. The outlet works. Now to see what this thing is about.
What a magical place for us kids to have the most fun we've ever had! Betty Fazbear Pizzeria is such a fun place! It makes me want to stay there forever! Oh, you silly! Unlike other places, this pizzeria is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week! And don't forget, follow the yellow rabbit, and all of your dreams will come true!
Yellow rabbit?
Yellow rabbit. What the fuck was that?
Wow.
Wow. That was disturbing. My Italian accent is terrible. Oh, good timing. Hello?
Hello?
Luigi?
Hello?
Hello? Who is this? Dave?
Mario!
Oh, Luigi. Mario. Oh, Luigi. What's going on? I was having a dilly for the late night snack, and when I came back, Whoa, slow down, bro. Tell me what happened. I think our apartment was broken into.
What?
What? It ain't taking anything. I don't know. I just got back. Look, just calm down. Let me finish up my shift and I'll make my way back home. Well, I get a head start checking the police down. Call the cops first. Hold on. We don't know if they're still out. Alright, look. You do that, I'll finish up work here real quick and make my way back home. Stay safe, okay? They better not having Spike. Better leave and go see what's going on. Should've been left. Fuck. Stand there and put him up away. Look at the goddamn VHS thing. Who broke into our house? Spike! I'll catch your ass in here, I swear to God.
Mamma mia!
Whoa! What happened? It looked like someone ransacked our home. No kidding. How did this happen? I don't know. It was already a mess when I got walked in. Oh, mamma mia. You called the cops to report a break-in right away. Yeah, good idea. You should have done that already, Luigi. You idiot. You decided to call it a night and clean will be good. That afternoon, we called the police to report the break-in. Unfortunately, they couldn't find any evidence of who did it. Because they cleaned it up afterwards. The fuck, they cleaned it up before they called the police. We decided to call it a night, clean it up. Later that afternoon, we called the police. They came in. They didn't find evidence. Because we cleaned the goddamn place up. You can't clean up the entire area and call police. They're not going to find anything. You already clicked it. You sweep the evidence away. Oh my God. The guys are nincompoops. That was so stupid. They told us they'll keep lookout. No, nothing could shake this worry. It might happen again. I guess. But I can't let this stop me. I have a job to do and I need to get it done. Just hope things will be solved soon. Chapter completed. Things didn't seem Uncanny enough, Mario reported a break-in that occurred in the Bros apartment room. How could something like that happen? Was it somehow related to the events at the pizzeria? Or perhaps was it only a coincidence and the animatronics was simply just malfunctioning? Whatever it was, Mario solemnly vowed that he would never let a disaster like that happen ever again. Like he had a choice in that matter. Fuck. Chapter 3, Dark tells it. Let's go. Next chapter, boy. Yeah, somebody broke into an apartment and started dressing the police. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. It's in that happened. I know, well, we got our place cleaned up. So there's something needs for us from tonight, for tonight. Well, if you're okay with returning by yourself again like last night, then I won't mind. I understand your concern. But what about my brother? That won't be necessary. Once again, the job is easy enough for you to do it alone. I mean, well, I guess. What if something bad happens to him while I'm gone? Well, do you know anyone who could stay with him? So maybe I can have him stay the night with my parents. Well, I'm sorry. I thought I was. Not now. Ooh. I'm talking here. Yeah, I called one of them to see if they could stay with you tonight. Very well. Now, this night might be a bit tricky. I know this might not involve your career field, but I'm going to need you to repair one of our animatronics tonight. Motherfucker, I am a plumber. Even Mario's saying, I'm a plumber, not a mechanic. I'm not a maid. I'm not a mechanic. I'm a plumber. I'm not here to clean up shit or fucking fix animatronics. Oh my god. Oh, don't worry. It's nothing complicated. His vocals just need some checking. Then you do it, motherfucker. What? Oh, nothing too hard. Then you do it. I would have hung it up. Fucking. Nigga, man, give us a doctor checkup. Why you go along with it? Oh my god, Mario, you idiot. Okay, I mean, any worth to pay, I guess. Anything for money. Good. Now, to make it easy for you, I will provide a training tape that will guide you to do this job quickly. Also, move Freddy to the parts and service room for you, so you'll see him. If there's a training tape, motherfucker, you could do it. Is there already a training tape? You could do it. Why the fuck ain't you paying me to come and do something you could do for free? Whatever. Well, let's just go. Okay. I guess I'll do whatever. Hey, don't get saying in the snow. Hush. Hang on, bro. Just give me a second. Okay, fine. I'll be there in no time. Good. Take care now.
Yeah.
Get the dude. Hello, Luigi. Say, sorry, Luigi. What you want me? What you want? Look, I'm not your little bro. I mean, I know I'm your little bro. I am. You know, but I thought you were in the job together.
Luigi,
I don't think you can handle that place after what happened yesterday. You are a bit of a pussy, you know. You're a bit scaredy cat. Oh, come on. This is an empty pizzeria. Look at there, right? Luigi, please, don't stress about this. I just don't trust your place after all. Your safety was really better than me.
what?
What? That doesn't make any sense. Come on, are you afraid of something? I'll be blank. I'm just gonna pick all options on the left. Oh, that's bold for you, Luigi. Yeah, it is. You know why? Cause we're some Mario brothers. Our business literally has their last day and the word brother in it. Sure, I may be a coward at the time, but I still want to be part of this with you. Brothers stick together, you know that. May I remind you, you founded this business in the first... Oh, may I remind you, who founded this business in the first place? Me, I'm Mario. I'm only doing what I'm doing because I just want to protect you. Oh, for the love, girl, you know that baloney. If you really wanted to protect me, you quit this clown already. Stay home and figure something else out with me. But no, you're clearly too desperate that you want to take the job anyway.
Luigi!
Luigi, you should never quit working for Spike.
Come on!
Come on. For once, Luigi, shut up. Are you hearing yourself right now? It's like you want to be pushed around and bullied. Maybe I like that, okay? Maybe I like being pushed around. Maybe I get off on that. The real question is, are you hearing yourself right now?
Hey!
Stop copying what I say. Can you ain't saying? Stop on, Luigi. Damn you, Luigi. Look. I'm through arguing with you. I'm going alone. That's final. ... Did you remember that? Fine. If it makes you happy, dear brother.
Goodbye.
I'm going to my room. Alright.
Luigi.
Hey, Luigi, look, hey. Hey, man, out.
Luigi.
I'm checking off here. You know, no. I'm so sorry, Luigi. I really am. Hey. Teddy bear, hug me. What have I done? I guess I see you later then, loser. What did I do wrong? And I'm not important to this business. What does he understand? I'm not an equal to him or something. Fucking teddy bear here. I know I'm not. I know I might not be brave, but I still want to try to be by his side. Why can't he see that? I guess you have to take his word on it as usual. At least you're a good listener, Teddy. I'm always here by your side, Luigi. I'll always be your friend. To the very end. Why does the day think I'm qualified for this? What if I mess up? You should mess up on purpose. Fuck him. I'm gonna die in there. Oh well, not my fault. It didn't go south. I have a really bad feeling about this. I mean, those machines nearly attacked me last night. What if it happens again? I'm scared. Should burn a gun or something. Maybe that gun shouldn't go through with this. Check your outcome. If I walk away, I mean, I don't want to. If I walk away, does the game end? Yeah. Let's finish the job. Fuck it.
No.
No. Or not start a job and leave it unfinished. There's not much more your bros Clement is supposed to do. And doing a job, you know, get it done. No matter if it's difficult or not. For if my name isn't me, Mario. Can I save? Oh shit, wrong thing. Oh, whatever. Alright, where's Freddy? You need to find that cassette tape first. You don't think it's inside the fucking area, you dumb fuck? Mario, did being an idiot fucking amaze you? Does it like being a dumbass like give you power? Being a fucking goofball give you some satisfaction or something in life? Jesus Christ, you're Dumbo. Don't you think the cassette tape is gonna be near Freddy? Why would it be anywhere else but in there? Why is it right here? Game's dumb. Where the stupid ass take? Give me this shit.
Mamma mia.
Let's go. There we go. Wait. I might need to go put in the damn thing, don't I? That was a cassette tape. Talking about. There you go. I don't know why this one I've been watched. Cause I am Foxy. Maybe just my paranoia kicking in. Better not worry about it. Whoa.
Hello?
Hello? Ah! Mamma mia. That startled me. That little old mate. I I need to find that controller if I can do this. To search this room. Controller. That'd be it. Test console. Alright, let's get it done.
Hello? Is this thing on? Okay, good, it's recording. Okay, so, hi, welcome to the Fazbear Entertainment Repair and Maintenance. Remember our corporate motto, grin and Fazbear it. Okay, well, that wasn't very good, was it?
Let's give it a fucking instruction,
Anyway,
goddammit.
this tape you're listening to will provide you with further instructions on how to repair our star attraction, Freddy Fazbear. Now, it is recommended that you listen very carefully and make no mistakes. When you are ready, we can get started.
Oh boy.
I'm ready. Ready for Freddy. Alf Mouse ready. Let's do this.
Alright, to get started, we gotta check on Freddy's vocals. Before you access the throat pipe, both eyes must be removed. First, remove Freddy's left eye.
Which one's left? Okay. Oof.
Next, remove Freddy's right eye.
You're right.
Now, with both eyes out, you should be able to open the mask by pressing the big black button on the center of Freddy's face.
His nose? Ooh.
Good job! Now, let's check on Freddy's vocal performance. When you're ready, please push the button on the endoskeleton jaw.
Hey everybody, put the radio on. Time to throw our troubles away. Hey, hey.
We're turning up the music, we're having a ball.
This band keeps
the green one kinda
rocking
messed up.
forever and ever.
So far, so good. Everything seems to be in working order. If for any reason Freddy's voice is off key, press the button on the console that corresponds to the incorrect note.
Green one.
Hey everybody, put the radio on. Time to throw our troubles away. Hey, hey. We're turning up the music, we're having a ball. This band keeps rocking forever and ever.
Great job! Freddy is now officially ready for showtime. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them. Then close his mask up and we'll call it a day.
Okay.
Well done. That concludes your parts and service task. See you next time.
Phew.
Okay. Job well done. Thank goodness. Got so worried I would make mistakes. Glad I did it. Yeah, what is that smell? Freddy, you put yourself. It smells like it comes from inside the machine. Like a dead body in there. What could be inside?
What?
What is it? I don't look at that. What is it, buddy? Ooh. Look at it. Ah!
Oh.
Fancy! Oh! She could go. What Mario? Ah! Willie, right on my ass. Okay, wait a minute. I thought it was a cutscene at first because he was way on my ass. He was right next to me. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, got some distance on him. Wow!
Oh.
The quick one. Hey, my lord!
Oh.
Stop it! Ooh. Eh. It's all good. Now Freddy's back on stage. Get me out of here. I'm not going to sing. Why are you like, boy, you don't get the fuck out of this place. Why are you, what is wrong with you? You want to watch this goddamn face. Boy, you don't get the fuck out of this damn area. You did your job, now leave. Oh my god. Okay. Get a hold of this audio. This isn't messing with you. I'm only messing with yourself. Yeah, that's gotta be it. It's not. Leave this place. Leave this place. Maybe Spec was right. I mean, I'm a loser. Huh? What is that? Maybe Spec told me I was a dumbass. Maybe he gotta be right, cause this dude. Go watch his face in the sink. Why your face in the sink at home? Cookie cake. Oh shit! Get off of me! God damn! Look at my fucking arm. What the fuck?
Ow!
My arm. This is awful. I better find a medikit. There's one in the front. Are you serious? Exactly what I need and more problems. I say to sneak the pad and to find the first aid kit. Get up here. I found it. Found first aid kit.
Huh?
What the hell? I ain't wasn't here before. None of you just take. God damn it. Fuck the motherfucker. Leave the place. You don't have to. Oh, I've been hunted. You can do it in your car. Motherfucker, right next to the exit. What do you mean go to the office? The exit is right here. What do you mean? Oh my god. I'm playing with a freaking nincompoop right now. Oh my god. Alright, now I can get treated. Well, isn't the best wrapping job, but it'll do for now. Now, let's just see what this VHS chip has in store for me. Do it for me. Do it for me.
Thank you, Louis Dawkins, for the weather report. In other breaking news, tragedy fell onto a local pizza restaurant earlier today. 5 children who were attending a birthday party earlier this afternoon have suddenly vanished out of thin air. Police have searched the entire building from top to bottom, but they cannot find them anywhere. Parents are left devastated and are threatening to sue the company.
What?
It is haunted. I knew it.
Security
Mike was right.
has caught a man in...
This place was shut down months ago.
What? Hey! What happened?
Dave is the killer. You gotta be. That was very strange. Mario, you're a dumb ass. Get out of there. Never come back. Huh? Who goes there? Oh, I'm going to Freddy. What? What is this empty suit doing here? This suit almost looks like that bear. Almost yellow and old looking.
Oh!
Ah! My head.
Ow!
What is headache?
Ow!
Ow! Shit! Fuck! Oh, my head it hurts. It hurts. Ah! What? I'm trying to do his voice. What? Oh, whatever. I fucked it up. Yeah. Need to hydrate. I feel better now. Oh, look, what was that? A cookie. Enough for this place for today. I'm gonna lock up in here. Should have done that when you was out at the medkit place.
Come on.
At the goddamn medkit. Now, what's that? Hey, I love this song. What the? That is impossible. Hey, what? People here. Yeah, I mean, how are people here when this place is closed? They break in? Get out of here. Excuse me, anyone? The people ready to close. Hello? Why don't you just leave? Sure, y'all to kick him out. Can anybody hear me? Huh?
Hey.
Man, they're gonna come back. Where I didn't go to chow. I gotta stop. I don't care. Let me out here. I wanna leave. I didn't go in Freddy put me in like a flashback and stuff. Where you see? Where'd he go, huh? Good shit. I can't. I don't trust that guy. I think he. I think he's in on it. He's gonna knock me out. I should have shut the door. Now I'm dead.
Hey, wait.
Open the door. Say, open that door.
Hello.
Hello? It's dark in here. Oh, where the light switch? There it is. Oh! Oh, they done it again? Oh my god. There are corpses in the robots!
What?
Oh, little children! Little children was better there! Oh, look at that one! Head is a cupcake. Oh, holy shit! No! Can't believe this. There's no way this is real. What kind of sick mouth is responsible for this horror? He's right behind me, isn't he? Ah! What just happened? What happened at me? Huh?
What?
What happened? What the fuck? What the fuck? I didn't want to come back. Mario made me. He's an idiot. The music was pretty loud, and it was good too. It was jamming. Bonnie, Chica, Freddy, and Foxy. I'm sorry for that.
We see you working for him.
Wait a minute now. I am working for her, but I'm not. I didn't kill her. I didn't kill you. Oh, it is Dave. I knew it. Wait again. Wait a minute. I'm a good guy. Get me the fuck out of here! What is this shit? I can't move. No! They got me again. This is the third time.
Huh?
Wait, why am I trapped up here? Where am I? Oh, God, no. Get the fuck out of here! Ah! Mario! Mamma mia! Get out of this place! Get me the fuck out of here! Get me out of here! The skeleton's gone. I know I could have touched him. The skeleton was Dave. This is just messed up. Those kids were murdered in here. Why? Why would anyone do this? They just put you.
Luigi.
Luigi. You're exactly right about this place. Now I feel stupid. Yeah, you are dumb. You should feel stupid all the time. Not listening to him this whole time. My selfish desperation is what got me into this place. Ah. I got to get back to the apartment. We need to know what's going on. Ah! Oh, shit. Be like, John Murphy. So bloody. I guess now we know how I got here. Back in the present time.
You should have just left it alone.
End of this chapter. Chapter completed, bad boy. Now that Mario has discovered the truth about Freddy's, we're back to where the story began. With Mario being held captive, how's he going to escape? Will Luigi find out what's going on and find his brother? And most importantly, what will be the outcome of his faithful journey? I don't know. How long have we been recording? Should I end here? I guess I should keep going for a little while. How many chapters do you got? Should have 2 more. Yes. Search and rescue. Well, I'm in here for now, actually. See y'all next time on Mario and Finance of Freddy's. See ya!